Hey, good day everyone. I've got this brooding pavilion here. Just pulled everything out of the box and here's what came with it. Got this here too. Plastic cover. And it's gonna kind of look just like that when we're done. First thing we're gonna do is insert the stands into the base. We take this here and we're gonna mount this up through these screw holes right here. So we're going to take these fasteners and washers and mount it through the sides right here. Now we have it there. We can adjust the height of this thing. You can loosen it, tilt it too. All right, now we're gonna go ahead, plug it into the power right here. Okay, now that we've got it plugged in, adjust the angle of this, and then once you get the angle where you want it, just tighten it up on the sides there. The chickens can congregate right under there and stay nice and warm. Now, if you want to adjust the temperature, this is what you use right here. All right, well, here's the chicken brooder here. All hooked up. We got an extension cord running to it, and this will keep them nice and warm in here. This is where they roost at night. Keep them nice and toasty.